Hi, welcome to this episode. Let's learn from our admin's dashboard. So in the previous episode, we looked at the wireframe for our admin sign-in screen, our admin sign-in page, as you could see it here. So now we're going to move on to the actual admin's dashboard layout. So let's get started. So we pick the basic skeleton, which is the document structure, and then the content area. So here I would like to change something a little bit. So before, let me increase this side, this here. I will shift this down. So I would like to keep the name somewhere here. So I'll bring the name here. So this time around, you can see that the name stays right in the background, the main background, and then at the right side I would like to have the admin's name, so the admin who signed in, their name, and then the link to sign out. So let's say I pick this text, and I'll be like, let's say we are signing as John Doe. So we'll see the John Doe's name there. So I think I need to zoom this in a bit. So we'll have John Doe's name here. So right beside John Doe's name, so let me add a line, something like this. Okay, then we'll have something like sign out. So sign out. Let me write it here. Sign out. Right, so this will give an indication to the admin who is signed in to leave the interface by just clicking on this button. So we have the sign out. So probably if we add icons, we could use some icons to symbolize this. So here I can see that I'm going to the edge. So let's say I go to the edges, so somewhere like that. So yes, somewhere like that. So in the middle here, I'm going to use this space as well to now give us control over the content and the administrators. So I will rather name this link. I don't want to make this place too busy, so I want to have some kind of button here. Let's say I'll use this guy again, so it will be some kind of button. I think let me keep it plain text button. So we'll have a button like this, and it will be manage. So this link will be a drop down menu. So when you click on it, so I think I could add something like a less than sign. So let me do this like this, and then I will rotate it to mark that this is a drop down. So once you click on it, it should open something like this, right? It should open some menu, or we could bring it down like that, so to show that there's some content. But I am trying to play with the design. I think it will look greater if we get it like this. And then right under we'll have now, what do we manage on this site? We manage mainly the content, so which is our articles, and then the administrators. So we'll have then administrators. So administrators. So that will be it for the menu at the administrator's dashboard. So cool. So let me make it small so that we see the difference. Great. So that will be it for the menu. So this menu will go across the various interfaces of the administration. So at the content side here, I would like to just now go straight to the point for the administrators, which is creating content. So we should have a caption here, which is something like create a new post. right? Create a new post straightforward. So this will allow the admins to automatically move on to creating posts once they sign in without having to do so many clicks. So once we have create the new post, we'll now give them the form to create new post. So for the post, we'll need the first thing we need is the post title. So the post title will be here. So we are going to use either labels like this, post title, or we'll use placeholders inside the fields. So for now, let me use the labels like this, the post title, and then after the post title, we'll need the post except. Like I said earlier, the post except is a small summary we give on the post, and it is usually used for search engine optimizations. So that's what we actually provide in the meta description tag. Yes. So after the except, we would like to have I don't know if we should place the cover image first before the description, because usually the description is long. So we'll rather provide the cover image here, and then we can now provide the description. So where we could use WYSIWYG editor to insert to allow the administrators to format the content a little bit, or we use a markdown editor. So this will be post content or full content, so something like that. So here I have to mark some differences. So this is a bit large, and then also this is also supposed to be a text area. So let me mark something like that. This is a text area. Okay, so this is a small text area, and this is a little bit bigger text area, which allows us to enter more content. So right after that, we are going to add the button as well to now submit the article. So actually it looks long here, but on the actual site, I believe this form is going to be shorter, right? So once we have that, we can have the copyright aspects to come in. So let me say save new post, or simply save. So we could make it simply save. Okay, so once we have that, now we bring in our copyright aspect, which is okay, it's normal, right? So at this point, we have our administrators dashboard. So once the admins sign in, they'll be presented with this. So if they want to create a post, what they will do most often is to create posts. So the admins will often be creating posts. So it is great to have this form right in front of them, and when they come, they don't always have to go and look at the content of the administrators. So they can just create a post and then it will go on. So in case they are inclined to edit anything or view some details on a particular post, they can now go on the manage menu and then go and pick either manage the content or manage the administrators. So this is it for this episode. In the next one, we are going to look at how to view the article. So that's when they click on the content, what are they going to see? Stick around. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider doing so right now, so that you can be notified when the next episode is published. Thank you for watching this one.